Have you ever heard the phrase, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard? This powerful statement speaks volumes about the value of persistence and dedication. In today's episode, we dive into the true essence of success, and it's not just raw talent or sheer luck. Imagine two musicians, one born with a natural ear for music and another who lacks that innate skill but practices diligently every day. Time reveals that the diligent learner overshadows the natural talent who didn't bother to practice. This isn't just about music, it's a universal principle. From athletes to artists, the common thread in all their stories is not a lucky break, but relentless hard work. But why does hard work often win over talent? Because it's about control. We have little control over the talents we're born with, but effort, improvement, and resilience, those are in our hands. Hard work is the great equalizer. It's the fuel that propels the engine of achievement, the bridge between could be and will be. So, if you find yourself envying someone's talents, remember that your own hard work is your superpower. It's what can make you a formidable force in any field you choose. The beauty of effort is that it's inexhaustible. As long as you're willing to put in the work, the potential for greatness never diminishes. In the timeless words of Kevin Durant, hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. Let that sink in. As we wrap up today's episode, let's pledge to be the hardest workers in the room, because that's something talent